Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to another video. So it is Saturday and I'm doing a day in my life. I haven't done one of that in a while, so I'm doing a day in my life today. We're going on the road to run some errands. I'm just going to show you like stuff I'm do. Where may I put this in now? Let me see. So guys, we are going to run some errands as I said in the previous clip. I'm going to hurry up and go to Spanish Town and then come back. I'm going to get one gift for Sky, I'm going to pay my bill, and that's basically it. I have enough stuff to do on the road and I want to just hurry up and do that. We get one missed call. I'm in the supermarket now. I feel like I catch cold. When I come in here to buy enough things, then I'm just come to restock.
Don't care who you link with. Joanna is in a head like a building. Still a finger to boom in a building. From do what I want, me and the devil, I can't get in the
Guys, I'm here with the doll. Period. Dolly, I have to pull up my ear. Only for the 3 a.m. June, guys, I'm this. So, guys, I just finished pulling up my hair. One of my fingernails didn't drop off. I need to take off the rest of them. But my hair is all finished. Pulling out. I'm about to take a shower and wash it. It's after 9 now. I'm going to check for alcohol so I can drop it in my ear before I catch flu. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. Good morning, guys. Firstly, I'm not going to act as if this isn't a whole other week for this day in the life vlog. Yeah, I'm terrible. I know. I know the vlog here should have posted from last week. But I promise you, after I stop talk, the last segment here, I'm going to be posting it. So, firstly, guys, I want to talk about a giveaway that's going on right now with myself and 2 other lovely businesses. We're having a giveaway, and I'm so happy to share it with my YouTube family. I should have shared it already, but it's not too late. So we're excited to treat not 1, not 2, but 3 lucky winners. You guys just need to follow the instructions. So all you guys have to do is to follow us, the 3 businesses, on Instagram, comment, swipe right, and share a short caption that best describes the photo. Which are the photo here right here, so guys. So we are gonna know for know how to really win this. So after you guys create a short caption or use a caption with social media, we use every single day. You guys are going to like and encourage your friends and family to like your comment. Comments with the most likes win. Bonus points. Earn extra points by sharing this to your story and tagging us. The giveaway ends on November 25th, guys. Winners will be announced on December 1st, 2024. And which other better way for start the Christmas season, right? Than with a proper giveaway. Guys, just go over to my business page. The instructions are there. The comment section is there. It's very much open for you guys to comment a caption and encourage your friends and families to literally just click like on it. The comment with most likes, I should say, wins. And as I said, you have 3 chances. Is it a first, second, or third place? And all of the gift them worth it. And not only that, guys, we have like random giveaways. So you guys need to turn on the post notification on the business page, all 3. So you guys can be able to win something little extra. So we're having a giveaway and giving away stuff like, within the giveaway, which that sound real good, like a good bargain, that right. Another thing, my curls them really look fine and nice today. I'm loving my curls. Yeah, me I feel myself. Guys, me know me inconsistent. That's another thing I want to talk about. Me I go really try like go back to the drawing board and think about some content ideas that I can do to start posting more. Because I'm really a drop off with the consistency. It now work out. It has not been working out. I have good reasons, but it just need to work out for me just post some. So yeah, I'm going to try for December. No sir. I'm gonna try for December so I can post contents. Definitely cannot manage Vlogmas. Hopefully 1 year I can actually take up myself and say I gonna do Vlogmas this year. One time for the week. So in the future Vlogmas shall happen, but not this future right now. So anyways, me I chat too much, so I'm gonna just end the vlog here. So we have officially made it to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, comment as many times as you want. The comment section over here is free. Just comment something, share up the video, watch the old videos because I'm telling you the content are great over here. And yeah, don't forget to go over to my business page and the two other business pages. I'm going to be putting their links in the description so you guys can just click it, go over there and join the giveaway to get a chance to win something really nice. The gifts are great, as I said. Yeah, guys. Bye.